Just a short video to show you this Philips Comfort hooded hairdryer. This is model number HP4618, I believe. Can't see it, I'm not tall enough. This is made between 1960 and 1970s. It's all complete. Comes with its original box and the instructions. The box is very tatty. It's got tape around it holding it together. It's got nice artwork on it though. This is in good condition. So it all comes apart quite easily and fits in that box. I'll show you in a minute. The only thing I've noticed myself about this in the day, the lead is not really long enough. It's okay if you're right next to a plug socket, but it works. I'll plug it in. And there's the speed. It's nice and warm already. But please remember, this is 1960s, so the plastic will be a bit brittle. Nothing's broke, but you just got to be careful with it. It does have adjustable here, an adjustable height. Squeeze that together and it should go down like so, and there's a little plastic screw under here you can screw, and it will make it like go out like that a bit more. I'll just turn this off. So if I can do this one-handed. So basically, screw it together, and that comes off into one piece like that. And this has little notches you push in, pull out, which I can't do one-handed, like so. And the actual base just folds up in itself. And that's the stand. And it all fits in the box. So it's in good working order. This is old, as you can tell, made in Holland. I do have a deluxe version as well listed. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.